Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to discuss about what is martingale in prop trading challenges, and we'll go through some of the examples and strategies to win prop firm challenges, and some profitable and highly probability setup strategies also to trade gold, Bitcoin, silver, natural gas, currency pairs, Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures, S&P E-mini futures, Dow Jones Index futures, SPY, SPX, and Q2Q. So these are all global, asset classes. And generally, when you go for pro firm challenges, this is the asset classes you'll be trading in, like gold, Bitcoin, silver, and currency pairs, and Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures. S&P mini futures, okay, and Dow Jones futures. So that's what you'll be trading in. So we will see what are some of the highly profitable and high probability winning setups and strategies for these particular asset classes today. We'll also go through one account which I have got myself in one of the prop firm, and how that account looks like, and what asset classes you can trade in, how the setup looks also we'll go through. Okay, but you don't trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex when you go for international markets. Okay, what you trade is gold, silver, platinum, Bitcoin, currency pairs, and American markets, and mostly it would be futures markets, not options. Okay, yeah. So that's the topic for today, and yeah, we'll go through all of this as a part of today's video. It's taking some time to load. Let it load, then we will start. So martingale is basically it is a behavior which is exhibited by traders, where what they do is when you're in a losing streak, okay, your drawdown is happening or you're in a losing streak, you basically what you do is you double down or you increase the position size to recover the losses. That is what is martingale method. Okay, so suppose you lost continuously for 5 days with a position size of one, okay, um, on a particular asset class. Let's assume Bank Nifty. And what you do is you take, on the sixth day, if you increase your position size to five, and you expect to win and cover all the losses. So that's what martingale is. Okay. So what is martingale? Martingale is a position sizing method where after each losing trade, you double the size of the next trade, aiming to recover all the losses in one win. So it's a sort of a gambling, way of doing trading. This is not a disciplined trading, uh, and it also shows that you don't have confidence in your setup. Also, yeah, increasing the position size based on probability is a different thing, and increasing the position size with a hope that you will recover, is a different thing. Okay, that falls into gambling basically. But when your probabilities are in on your favor, and and you increase the position size to a small extent, that is very mathematical and systematic way of it's a probabilistic setup. Okay, but this is not a probabilistic setup, this is hope setup. Okay, you're losing continuously, and a position, and then you double the size of double, or you triple, or quadruple the size of the position, expecting that, hoping that you will win and recover all the losses. Okay? But if you lose, you will lose a lot, and then you will go into unrecoverable losses. So that's what martingale is. So martingale is a position sizing method where after each losing trade, you double the size of the next trade, aiming to recover all losses with one win. And that generally doesn't happen. It's a gambling mentality. It also shows that you're not disciplined and you don't have confidence in your setup. Okay, in prop trading, the idea is appealing because one can win more than cover prior losses. What's risky in these challenges is, prop firms impose strict rules, right? They put like drawdowns. This is much only drawdown you can have daily. 1% loss only you can have. Maximum 8% drawdown only you can have. Lot sizes also you can trade only based on your account, certain lot sizes are restricted. Okay, and this makes martingale often disallowed or dangerous, and they'll cut your account if you do martingale. So, and martingale, what it does is, when your losing streak is there, it what it does is it blows the stop loss limits. It violates the drawdown rules and exhausts the account capital before recovery. So that's what happens if you use martingale. So martingale may recover small streaks, but eventually it will lead to massive, and challenge ending drawdowns. So you will basically be out of the challenge, and it's not recommended. That's why it's not recommended. Okay. So what are the few winning strategies for prop trading challenges, which are, where there is an edge and expectancy is in your favor? And it's a we are talking about setups which are high probability winning setups. Okay, and which have proven over the years. So that's what we are talking about. Nothing is 100% sure, but these have a high probability of winning. Okay, so that's what we are talking about. So key approaches that firms favor are strict risk control. So whenever you're trading, small position sizes you need to do, and stop loss should be proper. And you need to have an edge in the system. There should be an edge, then only you'll make money, otherwise you won't make money. The edge could be there, in the probability of profit or the risk reward. Okay. uh, okay, so those trading setups you need to select, you need to have proper position size and sl, defined sl. Then you need to select those setups with a positive expectancy, and consistency should be there. So steady performance you need to give rather than aggression, like one day you won everything, and okay, rest 99 days you lost. Okay, so that is not consistency. Every day you are winning something, that is consistency. Asset diversity, so this is diversification, also helps you rotate among gold. So we are talking of prop challenges, so there is no nifty, bank nifty, Indian stocks, all that in this challenges. It's all international markets. So gold, futures, crypto currencies, so these are the assets that we're talking about. So you rotate among them. Whenever you find an opportunity in one, use that, based on volatility and patterns, and trade. That will give you an edge. Okay, that will give you some strategies to win also the challenges. So what are the high profitable probability setups by asset? So gold and silver futures, if you're talking about gap continuation strategy, could be used. So you monitor overnight gaps greater than 0.5%, and trade first hour breakouts with tight stops loss below the gap. So when there's a gap of greater than 0.5%, so look at the first 1 hour candle, and once it's broken, you trade with stop loss below the gap. Okay, and only 1% of the capital is should be risked. So that's one strategy. Gold mean reversion also is a strategy. So trade reversals, you put a Bollinger Band, and whenever the price touches the Bollinger Band extremes, you take a reversal trade, put stops outside the bands, and target the midline to be the target, the Bollinger Band midline to be the target. So those are the two strategies in gold: gap continuation and mean reversion. Okay, in range markets, it's only in range markets. Okay, again, gap, mean reversion. Bitcoin, coming to cryptos, in cryptos, we can use opening range breakout strategy. So take the first hour price range, and when there's a volume breakout happening and volume is also confirming, then you take a trade in that direction. Okay, so first hour. So these are all hourly breakouts that are working in gold and Bitcoin. Okay, so it's a higher time frame, 1 hour price and breakout. VWAP pullback strategy. So whenever the price retraces to VWAP and bounce is there, a green candle is formed, you put a stop loss below that swing, and profit potential to previous high. So that is the VWAP pullback strategy. Also you could use in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is 1 hour price range breakout, and VWAP pullback strategies are working fine. In gold, mean reversion strategies in range, and gap continuation with 1 hour breakout is the strategy. Natural gas futures, seasonal. So natural gas is seasonal trend play. Long positions in spring. Okay, so when the demand is there, and short in summer when there is no demand. Okay, volume spike momentum after spike plus breakout, enter with volatility based stop. So these are the Seasonal plays there in natural gas. If you want to trade natural gas, long positions should be taken in spring and short in summer. And volume spike, if there is a volume spike and momentum and breakout is there, you could enter there with certain stop loss. Forex markets, currency pairs, if you want to trade, breakout plus ATR stop. Again here also, this is a daily breakout, not an hourly breakout. In currency pairs, this is a daily breakout, and ATR, average true range, is used for stop loss placement. That's one strategy. Then range fade strategy. So trade at session highs and lows when indicators RSI show overbought or oversold. Okay. That is what is another strategy you could do. Session highs and lows. Reversion you could trade, or breakout you could trade when session highs or lows are broken in the currency pairs market. Coming to Nasdaq 100, S&P E-mini futures, Dow Jones is again here also opening range breakout strategies only. First 30-minute range breakouts, which stops at either side of the range. Trend following strategies also you could trade in Nasdaq 100, S&P E-mini, and Dow Jones using Dawn chain channels. Dawn channel is chain channel. Uses 20-day moving average. So enter on 20-day breakout. So whenever that 20-day moving average breakout happens, and you enter, and then when it goes down that moving average or down chain channel, you exit that one. This is a simple down chain channel strategy. It follows the trend. It works. It looks like 20-day breakout. Trend following works in Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow Jones. Pullback after news move. So post FOMC move, enter upon retracement to a moving average with tight stop. Okay. So after news, price will go up, then it will pull back to the moving average, then it will go up. So you can take a trade here. Okay. And trend following is obviously whenever a 20-day moving average is broken, you take a trade, and whenever it cuts down, you exit the trade. 30-minute opening range breakout also you can trade. Okay. Coming to SPY, SPX, QQQ, ETFs, these are okay. So these momentum swing strategies you could use here. Whenever there is a macro news or earnings are good, you can ride that move. So this is momentum strategy. When news are in favor, or when earnings are good, you ride the momentum. There's also a EMA crossover strategy. Use 9 and 21 EMA cross setup and size at 1 to 2% assets under management. Stop below the low. Okay, so that's also another strategy that is there, which also gives you trend following or a momentum strategy. Okay, volatility breakout is also there using Bollinger or Keltner channels. Size small, profit set midline. Okay, so basically, Bollinger Bands will have like 1 to 2 standard deviation will be the upper line, 2 standard deviation will be the lower line, right? So whenever it comes to lower line, you take a buy position till the midline. Whenever it comes to top line, you take a sell position till the midline. Okay, and when there is a reversal candle at both, or a support candle here, that only when you do that. Okay. So why these strategies work? Because there is an edge, okay, clear edge. So what you're doing is not random trading. You're doing some statistically tested and proven strategies. All these strategies are statistically tested and proven that they'll work. All breakout strategies, trend following strategies, mean reversion setups, they definitely have an edge. Okay, so that's why these strategies will work. Risk is defined. Each trade has a precise stop loss and target, and most of these trade have less stop loss. Risk is less and reward is more. Okay, so that's why the strategies work. The probability is also more. Okay, the probability of winning is also more. So that's why it will work. Rule based, it's all rules you will follow. There is no emotions driving the decisions. It's fully mechanical. You can automate also those strategies. Then algo only will do that automatically. And these are back tested, these are verified across historical data, and their expectancy is greater than zero. They have a positive payoff ratio. That's why these strategies will work. Sample trade is gold futures. If you're trading, opening range breakout, you could take, observe the 30-minute range, enter the breakout in the direction if the volume is greater than average. Okay, and risk 0.5% of the capital. Place stop loss 1 ATR below the breakout level, and set it to whatever risk you're taking, that two times of that risk profit target you can set up, or you could trail via moving average crossover. So that's what you could do. So before summarizing, yeah, I think let's summarize. Martingale is not advisable because that's basically gambling, and you will lose in gambling. Okay, and all these strategies we have went through, which works in different asset classes in perform challenges. Like gold, there is a mean reversion in ranging markets, gap continuation, Bitcoin opening range breakout 1 hour, and reback pullback. Natural gas seasonal trend play, volume momentum is spike is there. Currency is daily breakouts plus ATR, and whenever highs and lows, the range is fading out. Overbought oversold, you could do trading. Nasdaq opening 30-minute range breakout you could do, trend following you could do, pullback after news you could trade. Momentum trading can be done in SPICE, SPX. Volatility breakout trading could be done in SPX QQQ. Okay. So now let's see what I have done. I want to show you how that prop firm challenges looks like. Okay. So this is funded next. Okay. I have opened an account with these people. They gave a free account to me, and around 200K they have given, which is approximately 1.8 crores. Okay, so they give you up to 95% profit split, and up to 300K account they'll give you. Money is given within 24 hours. There is no time limit in challenge phase. I just was looking at and tried the free trial here and was able to get that account. I'm basically looking at how this work. Okay, so even during the challenge phase also they'll give you 50%, and news trading is allowed, and spreads are good. Monthly competitions are there. Okay. They give you good platforms also like MT4, MT5, C Trader, and Match Trader. They'll give you to trade. They have all these challenges: $5,000, 10,000, 20,000, and even they have challenges till 100K, 300K also. Profit split, they'll give you up to 80%. Minimum overall loss is 8% only you could have. So this is funded next. Uh, okay. Yeah, I just wanted to show their website so that you know that this exists. They have very good Trustpilot ratings also, and yeah, 350 plus professionals are there. 4 offices around the world. 24/7 customer support is there. Okay, so that's the funded next. Let me open this one. Yeah, so this is the account. Okay, I shouldn't show this all. So yeah, so yeah, so this is how they'll give you an account, and I think I can show you this. If you see here, yeah, there is $200,000. I started yesterday only, and this is how it looks like. This particular platform looks like. Okay, so you'll have a dashboard and how much account you will get. Then you'll have transactions, offers, competitions, and all that will be there. Yeah, but once you trade, you go into this one, which is the MT4. Okay, so MT4. This is MT4 or MT5, I think. This is MT5, and you trade here. So right now I've opened SPX 500, but you have different ones here. Okay, so you have different ones here, and you search a symbol. So you have commodities. If you go to commodities, you have gold, XAU USD you could trade. Okay, and silver you have XAG USD is there, and platinum is there. Okay, so these are the things you will be trading when you go to prop firm challenge: XAU USD, XAG USD, XPT USD. Oil also you can trade if you are good at it. Crude oil also you can trade. Okay. Mostly people trade this XAU USD and XAG USD. Okay, that's what they'll trade. Yeah, yesterday I traded XAU USD. So this will give you knowledge about international markets rather than Indian markets. So you see here these indices you have NDX 100. So this is Nasdaq 100. We can trade, and then we have SPX 500. We have that you could trade. Uh, then we have UK 100, FTSE 100. We can trade US 2000 Russell Index is there, and Dow Jones 30 is also there. So these are the ones which we can trade. There are other countries also, but I don't trade them. But you could trade if you want Hong Kong, France, all that also. Mostly people trade this NDX 100, S&P, SPX 500, UK 100, US 2000, and US 30. These are the ones. So these indices they trade like Bank Nifty, Nifty, and Sensex, international indices we will trade. Okay. Forex also they have a lot of forex ones. Yeah, you could. I am not very familiar with forex markets, but if you are good, you can trade. Euro GBP or USD, Euro, Euro USD. You can trade. Okay, you can trade these forex markets also. But GBP, Pound, USD, you can trade. Okay, so this all you can trade. Yeah. They also have algos. So these are the algos that are there. Let me show the algos. Free algos also they have, and some paid algos also they have. Right. Even TradingView allows you to do paper trading. They also give you around 100k dollars to trade, and I do use it actually. Not sure why this is not loading, but yeah, let's see this one. This one will load on. But yeah, this funded accounts, if you are able to win the challenges and get the funding, and if you're able to make get 80% or 90% payouts, and if you're able to make like 10%, you imagine, right? That would be good money. 10% of 200k is a lot of money. Okay, and if you're getting 80% of it sitting in India or Dubai totally tax free, so nothing you will pay. So everything is in your pocket. Okay, even in India, after profit you will make good money. Okay. So this is what traders trade in Dubai. Okay, they trade these asset classes, which are gold, silver, and currency pairs, and indexes, index, SPX. Those indexes they'll trade. So these are they have these markets, and these markets has experts. Experts means basically an algo. Okay, and there are some algos which are there, which you can buy, or free ones are also there. These are the popular ones are there, then free ones are also there. Okay, free ones are also there. Then you'll have signals also. Okay, so this expert means algo. Okay, indicators means indicators basically, yeah, which they call signals also. Yeah, you can buy these signals also. This is copy trading basically. This is copy trading, which is also allowed to a certain extent. Okay. So let me show how the 100k account is given in TradingView also. Okay, TradingView also you could do something similar. I'll show you that. Then yeah, yeah. TradingView, you could set up your own algos. You need to get the code, and then you can put the strategies, and then those strategies we could directly connect to a broker by using an alert, and once you set up the alert, the trade will automatically go through. So that sort of mechanism is there in trading view, which allows for algo trading. But yeah, similar, something similar is there, which is called experts in the funded accounts. Okay. I don't know why this is taking so long. Let us wait for a few minutes. Yeah, just give a try. Try this. It will encourage discipline, and at the same time, it will allow you to get knowledge on the international asset classes, uh, and yeah, which will enable you to make money eventually. Okay, so that's a good thing. And if money is a constraint and you have the skill, then they'll give you the money. Okay, and these are some trusted firms. So these are not those firms that disappear overnight. So these are some of the trusted firms. So if you have talent and you're in need of money, these people will provide you the money, and you can make good money. 80%, 90% share is not less. Okay, so that is a very good share of the profits being handed over to you. When you are not investing your capital is being invested by them. Okay, so this is the trading view one. There is a trading panel here. Yeah, so it's on. So see, now paper trading is on here. Okay, yeah, it is on, and you can on like this. And yeah, if you want to trade, see, I already have $194. So this is all in dollars, boss. Okay, so you're making money in dollars, not Indian rupees. Okay, if you make money, uh, and if you're making in dollars, yeah, that's a good money in India. So let me open and show you how you trade. Even in trading view, you can't trade bank nifty because that's an index. Okay, what you can trade is futures. You can trade in the international market. Gold also we can trade. I'll show you gold. Okay, gold and Bitcoin I'll show you. So this is the Bitcoin, which is delayed. Then we have Bitcoin USD. So this is the one, right? This is the one, Bitcoin USD. So you can trade this so that you get practice. Okay, so this you can get practice. Okay, so here you will have a buy and sell. Once you click on this, you'll get a buy and sell, and then you can execute that order. Okay, so this is how you can practice international markets. So this is Bitcoin. If you want to trade gold, right? So gold is yeah. So see here, there will be buy and sell here. So you could like buy and sell here, right? But this is index. It won't allow you, but this it will allow you to trade. Okay. So let me open gold also. So this is the gold, right? So gold is here. Where is gold? Here gold is. This is delayed. So the D means delayed. Okay. This is the one. XAU USD is gold. Yeah. So this is a gold. Okay. So you can trade in gold also. In trading, we also you can do the trading, paper trading to get idea on this. If this is right now, let's assume that this is a sell. So if you sell, it will give you a pop up or trade order. So you could just execute this sell order here. Okay. That's how you'll get practice of trading. You could put stop losses, market order. You could put stop loss also. Take profit. You could put algos. However, we can keep in trading view. Algos we can put strategies, algos, and put alerts. So if you see so many alerts I would have had. So these are all the alerts. Okay. So So these are all the alerts. Like this, you can put alert and assign a strategy to that particular alert, and then automatically the trading will get executed. So that's how we can use alerts, okay, to automate the trades, and we can do paper trading in um, trading view also, and you could practice in Bitcoin, XAUSD, to get familiarity with those things. But yeah, that's the topic for today, guys. And we went through, what are the most highly probable trading strategies to win prop firm challenges for each of the asset classes, and why they have a winning chance. We have also discussed that. We went through one of the prop firm, how that prop firm challenge looks like, what it offers to us, and you know. How you could practice certain international asset classes, and how prop firms can help you to give some capital if you're looking for capital, uh, and you have the skill set to make money. So that's what we have went through today. Most people are doing Bitcoin nowadays, okay, and this 1 hour range breakout strategy works well. Vivek pullback strategy works well. Even Bollinger Band strategy works well in cryptos. Gaussian channel strategy works well in cryptos. Okay, gold, if you want to do, most people do gold and Bitcoin only. Okay, so gold is mean reversion strategy. Bollinger Band extremes, you take the trades, and gap continuation strategies we could use. Yeah, but if you're interested in currency pairs, yeah, then there is a daily breakout strategy, and the overbought oversold regions strategy is also there. And Nasdaq, S&P, if you want to do, they have a 30-minute range breakout, launch and trend following strategies, and momentum swing strategies are there that we could use, and volatility breakout strategies that are there that we could use. So that's it for today, guys. Have a nice day. Bye. Thanks. Have a nice day.